One's going to be, of my top 5, is going to be zinc.
Okay.
So zinc, again, brilliant for immune system, brilliant for hair, skin, nails, all that sort of thing. Very good for hormones, particular testosterone, which is important both for male and female.
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize
it's only going to optimize, like we should all have optimal hormones, whatever that is for us. So as males, we want optimum estrogen, women want optimum testosterone. Obviously, they're going to be in different amounts.
Right.
So, because some people are afraid, oh my God, I'm going to, it's going to mess up my hormones or something. No, it's just going to optimize those levels. And again, very good for mood levels, focus, concentration, all that sort of thing. So zinc, very, very good. And again, a lot of these things work synergistically. So zinc and magnesium work well together. So that would be my top 5. And I much prefer focusing in on those ones and really getting good quality, get the right amounts in, rather than taking like a multivitamin.